Let's take a look at how to perform the straddle backward roll and the pike backward roll. Starting with the backward roll to straddle. Key points include beginning the forward bend by shifting the hips back, keeping the knees straight, and reaching with the hands towards the floor behind the legs. Then, smoothly transition into the roll with the hands leading, and in the final phase, apply a strong push to complete the element. While on the back, separate the legs and keep them wide until the end of the skill. In the pike position, the roll looks almost identical. The only difference is that the legs remain together throughout the whole movement. Before attempting these rolls, it's recommended to learn forward bend, at least one full push-up, holding a V-sit, and of course the basic backward roll in the tuck position. Useful exercises include pike push-ups, rolling back to a plow position, and leg raises on the wall bars up to horizontal, or, for a harder version, overhead. For a simpler variation, move back and forth between a straight sit and a straddle sit. In the progression toward the straddle roll, begin with a straight sit, moving through a forward bend onto an elevated surface. Then, using the same motion, roll back into a plow position with straight arms extended overhead. Next, place the hands beside the head with elbows narrow, just like in a regular roll. At this point, you can already expect to perform the backward roll, so be ready for it. After that, move to the backward roll to straddle from an inclined surface. Then, on a flat surface, start from a supported squat and roll to straddle. From there, progress to the backward roll to straddle with straight legs, finishing with the hands on the floor. Once you feel confident, add lifting the torso at the end of the movement. And that's the complete element. For the pike, the progression is exactly the same, with the only difference being that the legs stay together. Forward bend to straight sit, rolling back with arms extended. Rolling back with bent arms. Pike roll from an incline. Squat to straight legs. Straight legs to squat. And finally, the full pike backward roll, moving through the forward bend while keeping the legs straight and together. Watch out for the following mistakes: not maintaining the forward bend, bending the legs, not supporting with the hands, placing the hands incorrectly, walking the hands at the end of the roll, and rising the torso too quickly at the end. That's all for the straddle and pike backward roll. Practice safely and good luck.